Managerial economics is the integration of dash with dash for solving business and management problems. Managerial economics is the integration of economic theory with business practice for solving business and management problems. Managerial economics fills up the gap between a dash and a dash. Managerial economics fills up the gap between economic theory and practice. Managerial economics is mainly a dash science. Prescriptive science. Basic objective of a firm today is dash. Basic objective of a firm today is profit optimization. Managerial economics is basically a branch of dash economics. Microeconomics. Branch of microeconomics. Two major functions of managerial economics are dash and dash. Two major functions of a managerial economist are decision making and forward planning. Decision making and forward planning. In a typical demand schedule, quantity demanded varies dash with price. In a typical demand schedule, quantity demanded varies inversely with the price. In case of given goods, price and demand go in the dash directions. In case of given goods, price and demand go in the same / upward directions. If demand changes as a result of price changes, then it is a case of dash and in demand. If demand changes as a result of price changes, then it is a case of expansion and contraction in demand. Law of demand is a dash statement. Law of demand is a qualitative statement. Demand function is much more dash than law of demand. Demand function is much more comprehensive / wider than law of demand. In case of Veblen goods, a fall in price leads to a dash in demand. Answer fall. In case of Veblen goods, a fall in price leads to a fall in demand. Law of demand explains the dash change in demand and elasticity of demand explain dash change in demand. Direction percentage. According to Marshall, dash is the degree of responsiveness of demand to the change in price of that commodity. According to Marshall, price elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness of demand to the change in price of that commodity. Price elasticity of demand. The relatively elastic demand curve is flatter. The relatively elastic demand curve is flatter. When the quantity demanded increase with the increase in income, we say that income elasticity of demand will be dash. When quantity demanded decreases with increase in income, we say that the income elasticity of demand is dash. When the quantity demanded increases with the increase in the income, we say that income velocity of demand will be positive. When quantity demanded decreases with the increase in income, we say that the income elasticity of demand is a negative. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? പോസിറ്റീവ്, നെഗറ്റീവ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Dash help the manager to decide the advertisement expenses. Advertisement elasticity of demand. Advertisement elasticity of demand helps the manager to decide the advertisement expense. Question. Point method helps to measure dash quantity of change in demand and arc method helps to measure dash changes in demand. Point method helps to measure small quantity of change in demand and arc methods help to measure large changes in demand. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? സ്മോൾ, ലാർജ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Demand forecasting refers to an estimate of dash for the product under given condition. Demand forecasting refers to an estimate of most likely future demand for the product under given condition. Other question. The heart of the survey method is questionnaire. The heart of the survey method is questionnaire. Other question. Collective opinion method is also known as sales force polling. Collective opinion method is also known as sales force polling. Other question. Sample survey method of demand forecasting is also called consumer panel. Sample survey method of demand forecasting is also called consumer panel. Other question. An economic indicator indicates changes in the magnitude of an economic variable. An economic indicator indicates changes in the magnitude of an economic variable. Other question. On the basis of dash, it is possible for project future sales of a company. Time series. Time series. Other question. Stock is dash potential supply. Stock is potential supply. Other question. Supply curve generally slopes dash. Supply curve generally slopes upwards. Supply curve generally slopes upwards. Other question. Dash shows the relationship between price and quantity supplied of a particular product. Law of supply. Law of supply shows the relationship between price and quantity supplied of a particular product. Other question. The supply curve shifts when there is a change in quantity supplied due to the factors other than price. Factors other than price. Other question. When the supply increases, the supply curve shifts to the right. When the supply increases, the supply curve shifts to the right. Other question. Supply tends to be inelastic in short run. Supply tends to be inelastic in short run. Other question. Tabular representation of different quantities of commodities supplied at varying price is called dash. Supply schedule. എന്താണ്? Supply schedule. അടുത്ത question. Absence of change in movement in economics is called equilibrium. Absence of change in movement in economics is called equilibrium. അടുത്ത question. The quantity bought and sold at the equilibrium is called equilibrium quantity. The quantity bought and sold at the equilibrium is called equilibrium quantity. Other question. There will be change in dash when there will be a shift in either demand curve or supply curve or both. There will be change in equilibrium price when there will be a shift in either demand curve or supply curve or both. Equilibrium price. Other question. Production creates dash or dash of value. Production creates new utilities or addition of value. Production creates new utilities or addition of value. അടുത്ത question. Production function explain dash or dash relationship between inputs and outputs. Technological engineering. Production function explain technological or engineering relationship between inputs and outputs. അടുത്ത question. In the short period only dash factor inputs are changed. Variable factor inputs are changed. അടുത്ത question. When managerial product is 0, total product will be highest. When managerial product is 0, total product will be highest. Other question. An ISO cone curve shows different alternative combinations of inputs which helps to produce the same level of input, whereas an ISO cost curve shows dash combination of two inputs that can be purchased with a given amount of investment expenditure while prices of two factor inputs remain constant. Various alternative particular. Various alternative particular. Other question. When all inputs are increased by 8% and output increases by 13%, then it is a case of loss of diminishing returns. When all inputs are increased by 8% and output increases by 13%, then it is a case of loss of diminishing returns. Internal economics depend on the growth of a dash and external economics depends on the growth of the dash. Firms industry. Economics of scope refers to the benefits which arise to a firm when it produces more than dash rather than producing dash separated by two firms. One productivity rather than producing jointly separately by two firms. Operating cost of anything is the alternative that has been dash foregone. Opportunity cost of anything is the alternative that has been foregone. Marginal cost deals with changes in cost of dash unit, whereas incremental cost deals with the changes in the cost of dash. Marginal cost deals with the changes in the cost of one unit, whereas incremental cost deals with the changes in the cost of a group of units. Other question. AC minus AVC would give us AFC. AC minus AVC would give us AFC. Other question. Total cost includes dash profits, normal profits. Total cost includes normal profits. Other question. Marginal cost is associated with variable cost. Marginal cost is associated with variable cost. Other question. In the long run, all costs are variable. In the long run, all costs are variable. Other question. In dash model, the important assumption is that the entrepreneur aims at maximizing his profits. In profit maximization model, the important assumption is that the entrepreneur aims at maximizing his profits. എന്താണ് answer? Profit maximization model. അടുത്ത question. Dash is the point where the firm has stopped incurring losses but yet to start gaining profit. Break even point. Break even point is the point where the firm has stopped incurring losses but yet to start gaining profit. Other question. The full form of TR is total revenue. The full form of TR is total revenue. Other question. According to economist theory of firm, a firm is a dash unit which converts input into output and while doing so tries to create surplus value. Transformation. അടുത്ത question. The firm aiming for profit maximization reaches its equilibrium only when it produces dash profit maximization output. Other question. Business decisions are made to cope with changes. Business decisions are made to cope with changes. Other question. Dash is related to demand of sales management and sales decisions. Dash is related to demand of sales management and sales decision. Market share goal. Dash is related to price and resources allocation decisions. Profit goal is related to price and resource allocation decisions. Dash works as a shock absorber. Slack payment works as a shock absorber. Other question. Dash and dash types of resolving conflicts are qualitative, sequential hearing to demand and decentralization. The decision making types of resolving conflicts are qualitative. Other question. Siap and March points out that the coalition group has multiple dash and dash goals, conflicting and opposite goals. Other question. According to modern firms are managed by both the manager and the shareholders. According to dash, Robin Mars modern firms are managed by the manager and the shareholders. Robin Mars. Other question. In dash, the objective of the firm is balanced growth. Maris growth maximization model. The objective of the firm is balanced growth. Other question. In Maris growth maximization model, the manager tries to maximize his satisfaction and his satisfaction lies in the growth rate of the firm. Other question. In dash relationship, growth determines profit. Differentiated diversification. Other question. Sales maximization model is an alternative for dash model. Profit maximization model. Other question. Baumel thinks managers are more interested in maximizing sales rather than profit. Other question. In oligopoly market structure, the firms compete more in terms of advertisement, product variations, etc. rather than price. The answer price. Other question. The expenditure which is incurred by the manager's indulgence in a company car is termed by Williamson as dash management slack. In the equation, S stands for dash and D stands for dash. DSFU is equal to staff expenditure and discretionary profit. Other question. Dash is the total income realized from the sale of its output and at a price. Total revenue is the total income realized from the sale of its output at a price. Other question. TR/Q is equal to AR. TR divided by Q is equal to AR. Other question. Additional revenue earned by selling an additional unit of output is called marginal revenue. Additional revenue earned by selling an additional unit of output is called മാർജിനൽ റവന്യൂ. ഈ തസ്തികകളിലേക്ക് അപേക്ഷ സമർപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ലഭ്യമാണ്. റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു തന്നാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ഞാൻ PDF ആയിട്ടാണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ഞാൻ മെയിൽ വഴി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അയച്ചു നൽകുന്നതാണ്. ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരു തുക നിങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ ഇട്ട് തന്നാൽ മതിയാകും. അപ്പോൾ റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു നൽകുക. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, AR curve coincides with the MR curve and run parallel to OX axis under dash competition. Perfect competition. Perfect competition. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, AR and MR curves slope downwards under condition of imperfect competition. Imperfect competition. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, cost plus pricing is equal to cost plus fair profits. Cost plus pricing is equal to cost plus fair profits. Other question, we come across going rate pricing generally under dash market. Oligopoly market. Oligopoly market. Other question, ഈ തസ്തികകളിലേക്ക് അപേക്ഷ സമർപ്പിച്ച ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭ്യമാണ്. റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു നൽകിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ഞാൻ PDF ആയിട്ടാണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അത് ഞാൻ റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ മെയിൽ വഴി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അയച്ചു നൽകുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരു തുക എനിക്ക് അക്കൗണ്ടിലിട്ട് തന്നാൽ മതിയാകും. അപ്പോൾ റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു നൽകുക. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ദ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് ഹൈ പ്രൈസസ് ഫോർ ന്യൂ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ഈസ് ടു skim the cream from the market. Skim the cream from the market. Other question, the rate of return pricing is equal to total cost per unit plus markup. Total cost per unit plus markup. Other question, administered prices are the prices which are fixed and enforced by the dash in the overall interest of the community. Government in the overall interest of a community. Other question, managerial economics helps in decision making through application of both micro and macro economics. Managerial economics helps in decision making through application of both micro and macro economics. Business profit is dash an accounting concept. Business profit is an accounting concept. അപ്പോൾ ഈ തസ്തികകളിലേക്ക് അപേക്ഷ സമർപ്പിച്ച ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ലഭ്യമാണ്. റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു തന്നാൽ മെയിൽ വഴി ഞാൻ റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അയച്ചു തരുന്ന PDF ആയിട്ടാണ് റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ റാങ്ക് ഫയലിന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളൊരു തുക എനിക്ക് അക്കൗണ്ടിൽ ഇട്ട് തന്നാൽ മതിയാകും. അപ്പോൾ റാങ്ക് ഫയൽ ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സ് എനിക്ക് വാട്സാപ്പിൽ അയച്ചു നൽകുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, പരമാവധി എല്ലാവരിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തട്ടെ. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.